Now we came to the multiplication. Here in the multiplication there are different kind of categories. Okay, there are different kind of concepts. We will see one by one concept. Okay, now we will see the first concept. Actually, if there is any two numbers which are multiplying in this fashion, which means in this category, that is 25 into 25. If you observe the pattern, first always we need to observe the pattern. Okay, here 5 is in the ones place, that is in the units place 5 is there. In the tens place there are same digits, same value. Okay, in the units place 5 is there, in the tens place there are same value. So the multiplication is 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is how much? 25. You need to write 5 into 5 as 25, and you take the tens place value 3 and you multiply with the tens place value plus 1, which means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So that's what. Here we are doing nothing. If you take another example, 35 into 35. So this is the number which we need to multiply. If we observe it, the units place value is 5, tens place value is same. In that scenario, what we need to write is, we need to write 5 into 5 as 25, and you need to take the tens place value and you need to multiply with the tens place value plus 1, which means 3 into 4, that is 12. You can take any big number, that is 115 into 115. 115 into 115, you can do it within no time. 5 into 5, 25. 11 into 12. 11 into 12. For doing this, you should know how much value is the 11 square. 11 square is 121. Plus, you need to add 11 to that. Why? Because 11 into 12. Okay, if you want 11 into 12, you multiply, you will get this. So, this will be 132. Okay, that is why while doing this process, we will learn all the squares. All the squares is doing the number of a square of a number, finding square of a number is also very easy, that we are going to do it. But as of now, we will remember something. Now we will take another number, 65 into 65. 65 into 65. 5 5s are 25 and 6 7s are 42. See how much fast I am doing. 45 into 45. So 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. Fast isn't fast, right? You can do it still more faster. Okay, there is no one to stop you. You can do it still more faster. 15 into 15. So 25 to 25. 1 into 2. Right? Likewise, you can do it any kind of question. Okay. For example, you can take 205 into 205. See, by seeing this, 20 is in tens place, 20 is in tens place, and 5 is in units place, which is same. So 5 into 5 will be 25, 5 into 5 will be 25, 20 into 21. 20 into 21 is, 20 into 20 is 400, plus 20, 420. So 420. If you want, you can check with the calculator. So this is the first concept in the multiplication of mathematics, where 5 will be in units place. 5 will be in units place. That is the first observation you need to do. Second observation is tens place should be same. If you see any kind of pattern, then what you need to do? You need to multiply 5 into 5, that is 25, and in the tens place you need to take that value, you should multiply by tens place plus 1. This is the simple strategy behind solving this kind of problem. If you give any multiplication, this is like it saves hell out of time. Okay, after solving this, I have been doing this mathematics problems, even I taught to many students, like in the offline I take tuitions also, like they are doing problems very accurately, very fastly. Some students are solving very fastly. Okay, I was astonished by their fastness. and I want to teach you the same thing which I am teaching other students also. So you need to do it maths accurately and fastly. That is only my objective. Okay, we will see the next concept.